Hi friends, let me show you my new plastic boxes, clear plastic containers for small things, small pieces like jewelry, work pieces of any kind, Lego pieces, whatever you want to store in these plastic boxes. As you can see, they close really tightly and you can see through what's inside of them. You can stack them like this. So if for any reason in your home, in your office, in your tool room, in your garage, wherever you need to store small pieces of something, of anything, you will find these boxes really useful. These ones are 3 by 3 inches by 1 inch tall. So you can get them in different sizes, but these ones are great for my tool room. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them. Let's go. Friends, let me show you some of the uses you can give to these clear plastic boxes, okay? First, you could use them in your tool room for putting maybe screws or any kind of tool that you want to get somewhere else, or even just to store them instead of these big boxes in this small one, so dust will not come in. Okay, so in your tool room. Okay, second, what about your office, your desk? What about putting some of the things that you have and you use in a box like this, so they are safely stored? You can find them, you can look what's inside. You know there are blue, green, yellow and red pins here, so you can see them. Also, you could put some other stuff, like for example these alcohol swabs. Maybe you could have them here, well stored and protected from the weather, okay? Also, what about the toys, your kids' toys? Some small pieces like these Lego pieces, you could put them here so they will be well stored. They won't fall down, they won't be loose, okay? And well, these are more office supplies, larger clips here maybe, okay? So as you can see, you can have different uses for them. Okay, you see what's inside. They are well built. They won't open by themselves. Okay, they have these clips so they don't open. And I think they are a great option if you want to store anything that is small, that you don't want to lose, and that you want to keep safe from the environment, dust, water, or keep them from being lost. Okay? Thank you.